In this video, I'll detail how to download Tonkeeper app on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to download and install the Tonkeeper application on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. The Tonkeeper application is free to download in App Store and it's a crypto wallet. So basically, I'm not going to reveal this application for you. I'm only going to show you how to download and install the application on any iPhone. So if I don't know this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is go to the App Store on your iPhone like this. Then you want to search. So if you're on the home screen like this, click on the search button at the bottom right. Search for Tonkeeper. So it's called Tonkeeper Wallet. Or better still, come down to where you see browse and tap top apps. Then under top apps, you're gonna see it under free apps. Tonkeeper is the most popular application on App Store right now, and it's called the Tonkeeper Ton Wallet. Then click on that. Then you want to go ahead and click on Get. Once you tap the Get button, this is going to start downloading the application on your iPhone. Or better still, if you're a new user, you'll be prompted to type in the install button from the pop. And once you type the install button, you'll also be prompted to type in your Apple ID password. So go ahead and type in your Apple ID password. So this is happening because I have downloaded and installed this application once on my iPhone before deleting it. So once you tap the button to download the application, this is going to start downloading the Tonkeeper Wallet application on your iPhone, and this might take a couple of seconds depending on the strength of your internet connection. And once the Tonkeeper application is downloaded and installed on your iPhone, you're going to see the Tonkeeper application added to your app library. And then if you go back to the App Store, you're going to see the application is downloaded and installed. Now go back to your iPhone app library, press and hold the Ton application and then drag it. So this is on iOS 18. Just drag it to wherever you want the application to be added, like this. Then go ahead and click on the done button at the top right. Then that's it, Tonkeeper. You can just go ahead, open the Tonkeeper wallet on your iPhone. Then you can either create your wallet or import existing wallet. So that's how you can easily download Tonkeeper wallet on any iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.